Hey guys, in last video I unboxed this Lenovo 300 USB wired mouse. I also mentioned that I got this package along with a Sandisk 32GB USB pen drive. So let's unbox this USB pen drive today in this video. Let's unbox it. Hey guys, welcome back to qurrahtech. In this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and tricks videos, also some unboxing videos like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. The red button below, and if you have already subscribed, give a thumbs up, comment, share. So let's unbox it. This is the Sandisk Cruiser Blade USB 2.0 flash drive. Yeah, you may think that this is a 2.0 USB, so it may be very slow. Yeah, absolutely right, but for the budget I got it for 350 rupees. So for that budget it's okay, we can say that like that one. Okay, let's unbox and check on the speed or everything. So let's do it. And on the back side it says a product code and all that stuff, and you can see here the MRP rate is 650 rupees India, but I got this for just 350 rupees. The MRP rate are very high, they always put like that one. So just check online prices and also the market prices, which is okay for you, get that one. So let me tear this one up. Okay, and this going to remove this one. Yeah, this is the pen drive. There is no user manual, nothing, because pen drive have only one job. They just go into the computer jack. That is a USB port. So that's it. So let me remove this one. Yeah, this is also plastic cover. Just throw it away. So this is the USB pen drive. Yeah, this pen drive is very small and sleek. Yeah, pen drives are usually small and sleek only. Why I'm talking like that one? Okay, let's grab my laptop and check how was the storage they're providing. So let's check. Okay, now let me insert the pen drive here. Yeah, just a minute. It displays USB drive E. Yeah, it has 29.2 GB free. It is 32 GB pen drive, but they are taking off 3 GB. It's approximately 2.8 GB. They have constrained it. Okay, let's get to the properties and check what all there inside. Yeah, it says use space 64 KB. Yeah, nothing much. Free space is 29.2 GB. Yeah, this pen drive has free space of 29.2 GB. That's pretty much fine. Okay, that's no issue. So now let's check the transfer speed of this pen drive. Okay, now let me go to my data and then copy one of my files. I'll go to edit and I'll transfer this Realme Nazo. I have made a video. So let me do a copy and then go to my USB drive and then give a paste. Okay, this folder capacity is 500 MB approximately. So I'm transferring from my data from my HDD on my PC to this pen drive. Yeah, and you can see the transfer file is between 2 MB to 6 MB. Yeah, it fluctuates also 1.5. Yeah, it comes down to 1.5 MB per second to maximum of 6 MB per second. So it takes quite a lot of time. I'll speed this one up. Yeah, the transfer is complete and takes quite a lot of time. It approximately took 2 minutes to complete a transfer 500 MB of my file. It's very slow, yeah, when compared to 2021 trends. Okay, if you want to use this pen drive as your storage device, yeah, it works fine. But if you want to use this as a regular pen drive, you want to transfer files and do all that sort of things, it's very slow because it's USB 2.0. Yeah, the name itself says it's slow. So that's it about this video. So if you want, you can use this one in cars or in speakers. If you want to insert this one in TV, so that time you can use this one. But apart from that, not a storage device, not a regular pen drive. You cannot use this one as a regular pen drive. Yeah, that's it about this video. I made a quick unboxing and a review, a comparative full review on this pen drive. So if you want to watch more videos like this one, subscribe down here, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'll be posting regular updates in that one. The name is at qurrahtech. Okay, that's it and see you next video. This is Ahmed from qurrahtech signing off. See you next video. Bye bye.